In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new lead stage in Salesforce. So let's dive right in and make things a little easier for your lead management process. First, if you have Salesforce open, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You should see a small gear icon there. Click on this icon, which will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll want to select Advanced Setup. This is your gateway to customizing various functionalities within Salesforce. Now, once you're in the Advanced Setup, use the search bar to look for the Object Manager. The Object Manager is essentially your toolbox for managing all object data within Salesforce, and it's crucial for the task at hand. Click on Object Manager and you'll be taken to a new screen displaying a list of objects. Next, sift through this list until you find the item labeled Lead. Click on it. This step is essential because the lead object is where you'll configure the different stages and attributes related to your leads. On the left side of this newly opened lead page, you'll notice a panel. Here, you should select Fields and Relationships. This section houses the various fields that make up a lead's data profile. Scroll down this Fields and Relationships page until you locate the Lead Status field. Go ahead and click on it. The lead status is a pick list field that defines the lifecycle stage of a lead. Once you're within the lead status page, focus on the section that lets you define pick list values. Look around carefully and you'll see a button labeled New. Click this button because it's what allows us to add a new stage, the main objective of this tutorial. After clicking New, you'll need to enter the name of the new lead status you want to create. This could be something like working, nurturing, or any other term that fits your sales process. Be sure to input any additional information if required to complement this new status. Once you've entered the new status, make sure to click Save. This action will add the new value to the lead status pick list, making it accessible across your Salesforce system. Finally, with this new lead stage successfully added, you're now equipped to use it when managing leads in Salesforce. Whether it is for tracking progress or refining your lead nurturing strategy, this new stage can provide better insights into your leads as they move through the sales funnel. And there you have it. Creating a new lead stage is as simple as these steps. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps optimize your Salesforce experience to manage leads more efficiently. Happy selling!